Hi, today we're going to make some honey garlic chicken in the Instant Pot. And so what you need is some chicken breasts. I have 4 chicken breasts here, which are pretty large. So 4 chicken breasts, I want to feed the whole family. I've got some brown sugar, minced garlic, some soy sauce, salt and pepper, and some honey. And then the only other thing I'm going to need is a little bit of water. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is wash my chicken, go ahead and salt and pepper both sides, and then just move it to the side and get my sauce ready. All right, so next I went ahead and added a 1/4 cup of honey to this bowl. I'm going to add a teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'll go ahead and mix that up. So you want to stir it up really well. You want to make sure that the sugar and the honey are dissolved, and then once you've done that, you can go ahead and set the bowl aside. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my Instant Pot onto saute. I want to go ahead and get it ready so that I can throw my chicken in there. And I'm going to go ahead and pour a tablespoon of oil. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken in there now because I want it to brown on both sides. So throw that in there. Let it cook for a little bit and then I'll flip it over. Cooks pretty quickly, so you want to keep an eye on it. After it's been in there for a couple minutes, you want to flip it over. All right, so once you have browned both sides of your chicken, then you're going to go ahead and add your minced garlic. And I have 4 teaspoons of minced garlic here. So kind of spread that around. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. So go ahead and just pour that in there all the way around. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it. And then I'm going to hit meat. And it's on high pressure and it's set for 10 minutes. So I'm going to just let it cook. So the one thing you want to do is make sure that your vent is closed. And then you want to stay away from this area while it's cooking and as the pressure is building up. The meat's done cooking now. I'm going to go ahead and release the pressure, and I have 2 ways of doing that. I can either do the natural release, which can take anywhere from 10 to 40 minutes, or I can do the valve and turn it to venting, and so that's what I'm going to do. You need to be careful when you're doing this because it's really hot, and the idea is I'm keeping an eye on the floating valve, and I want the floating valve to go back down. If you do the natural release, another way to make that process a little bit faster is you can put a cool towel over it, but I'm just going to let it go ahead and vent. All right, so it's taken about 4 minutes to release that pressure. There's no more steam coming out and the float valve has gone down, so I know it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and hit cancel, and then I can go ahead and open this up. Okay, let you look in here. It looks super yummy. I'm gonna pull out this piece here, which looks really delicious. You can see the garlic on it. Looks honey glazed. I love it. All right, so you can see how delicious it looks. I did choose one of the smaller pieces of chicken, and then I just have some fried rice and some zucchini on the side. So I'm ready to have my dinner. So it looks really delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and that's just a quick and easy way to access my other videos. And thanks for watching.